So guys, to fix this problem, what you have to do is to go to your phone settings and try to search for your settings app. Now tap on it to open it. After that, try to tap on apps and notifications. So after tapping on apps and notifications, what you have to do is to tap on the see all apps. So after tapping on see all apps, wait for it to load and you're going to see all your apps listed alphabetically over here. So after it has been listed, what you have to do is to tap on the search app at the top right corner, then try to search for Boomplay. So as you can see, this is Boomplay. You just tap on it to open it, then tap on notifications and make sure the show notification is toggled on. Now go back, then you tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed over here. Go back, tap on storage and cache and make sure you tap on the clear cache to clear the cache. Now go back and tap on force stop. So we'll tap on OK, and after that tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is toggled on. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store, to go to your phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store. Tap on it when you find it, and just what you have to do is to tap on the update over here. So after updating the app, just tap on this update. So after updating Boomplay, what you have to do lastly is to tap on the power button for some while, tap on restart, then you tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed. Thank you very much for watching this sorry, thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.